Welcome back to AppStudio video series. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up a custom profile for AppStudio Player. Before I begin, I'm going to show you the demo of the custom profile first. Look, I have an app link that points to AppStudio website with group ID parameter. And then, when I click on the link, it would open the AppStudio Player that is tailored and controlled by a group provided in the app link. What is a custom profile? Do you want to quickly and easily customize AppStudio Player without writing any code? You can now open AppStudio Player and create a custom profile by tapping on the app link. The custom profile is a tailored player controlled by a group provided in the app link. The custom profile can show AppStudio native apps and web apps that are shared within the group. You can also control the appearance of the player, such as branding, app header title, by adding certain tags in the group. For the remaining of the video, we are going to show you step-by-steps on how to set up a custom profile. First, we need to create a group in ArcGIS Online or Enterprise. Then add thumbnail, summary, and description for the group. As you can see, we have a group already created with a title, summary, and description. That group title, summary, and description would be reflected in the About page of the custom profile in AppStudio Player. Second step is to share AppStudio native apps and web apps into the group. Here I have several AppStudio native apps and web app shared within this group. And those AppStudio native apps and web app are displayed inside the custom profile of the group. The next step is to add tags in the group to configure the player user interface, such as brand color, app title, feedback email, and language. Here on the bottom right corner, as you can see, I've set up the tags for brand color, app title, feedback email. The app title that we set would be used in the title of the custom profile. If you don't have this, it would be defaulted into the group title. And as you can see that the brand color is being used from the tag. If we don't have brand color, it would use the player default branding color. As you can see on the second screenshot, the language on the player is changed because we have added the language tag in the group. If you don't have the language tag in the group, it will be defaulted to English. And on the third screenshot, we have a feedback email. If we don't have feedback email set in the tag, the feedback option would be hidden from the side menu. After we create the group with all the details, share AppStudio native app and web apps, add text to configure user interface of the player, then we need to create an app link with the group ID. The format for the app link is as follows: https appstudio.arcgis.com !group ID and the group ID. And then you need to send that app link to the mobile device and tap on the app link on the mobile device to launch the player. Here's the demo of the custom player using the app link that we just created. Thank you. I hope you find this video useful. We cannot wait to see how the custom profile unlocks the new way for you to rebrand player and distribute your apps. We would like to receive feedback and suggestion to better support your needs. Please reach out to us at AppStudio feedback at esri.com.